Majesty.
I summoned you all here because I have found out that one of you is pregnant. And you know it is against the rules governing this palace as maidens. You are supposed to set bright examples by not getting pregnant out of wedlock. This palace cannot condone such foolish practice. So, if anyone is found guilty, she must be relieved of her duty with immediate effects. Do you all understand me?
Yes, my queen.
Musu here is been confirmed pregnant. So, as one of the do's and don'ts of this palace, she is hereby dismissed from her job forthwith.
Your Majesty, please.
We have been friends since our childhood. We have always been there for each other.
Yes?
Now I want to help you.
Wait, you want to help me?
Yes.
How?
Musu, the maid in the palace, who has been making all sorts of noise, has been dismissed because she got pregnant. Which I know was done by one of the palace guards, Mori. And pregnancy is strictly against the rules of the palace.
So what? Are you happy that Musu is being dismissed from the palace?
No. It's just that her position there is now vacant. And as a friend, I want to make a recommendation to the queen for you to take up the job. So, we will keep seeing each other every day.
Will she accept me?
Yes, she will accept you.
You know that I have nobody as a family to vouch for me.
How can you say that? I am your best friend and also your family, okay? Stop this sadness, Fatima. I am here for you.
My priestess, have the gods not revealed anything yet? As you can see, I am not getting any younger. I need a child. I need a child that will represent me. I need a child that will inherit my throne. I need a child that will call me Papa, Father.
Lendeni, Nela Dumula, the great king, Bali Shengbe III of Brejobulan.
My priestess,
do not hasten the gods. Every path is set for us to tread on.
But I need to know. I need to know. Oh, wait. Did the gods not want me to beget a child? Or is there anything wrong with me or my wife? No. So please come in with the gods. For I am in desperate need of a child. I need a child desperately.
My king, the eyes and the mouth share boundary with the nose. But they cannot see themselves.
I know.
But are in good relationship.
I know.
The cow may see an echo as an invitation. Both help themselves.
Oh, stop this, your riddle talk.
Every part is set a matter of time. So says the God.
So is there no way you can help me? No problem. Since the gods cannot help me, King Valley Shengbe the third of Wajibu land, I know what to do.
Are you not going to bed? The time is late.
I am. Wow. You look sweet and radiant. You are just so beautiful.
My king, behold thy beauty, for it is yours.
Wow. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I love that. Can we? Before I forget, I will be having a meeting tomorrow morning with my elders concerning this Yenga issue. So I want you to prepare yourself in the morning for your presence is needed.
As you wish, Your Highness, we really need to settle this once and for all.
Once and for all, you are speaking my tongue. I saw you with a maid this evening. Who is she?
Fatima.
Fatima. I know is this Fatima.
She is the daughter of late Pabuema.
How is she? Is she doing well?
She's doing fine.
I don't understand. Are your mates giving you any problem?
Do not worry yourself. I have every situation under control. As for Fatima, she is nice, intelligent, and hardworking.
You mean hardworking?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, I would like to speak with her.
Okay.
So, maybe can I go? Excuse me. Dad?
Yes, my king.
You cannot retire to your home. As you know, 3 is crowd and 2 is company. I want to be with my wife.
Wishes welcome.
Fatima! Hurry up! Fatima,
Yes, Daddy.
how do you love working at the palace?
Well, it's wonderful and marvelous. Though at first I was nervous. You know that I've never worked for royalty in my life before.
You just have to relax and concentrate, okay? You will soon overcome the anxiety. Just make sure you keep working steadfastly and always give it your best shot.
I'll try. Besides, the queen and her husband, they're very nice people.
Really?
Yes. And they are not too difficult.
Really?
That reminds me, Daddy. Do you have any work tomorrow at the palace?
Not really.
Why?
So we still go there and help you out.
Okay.
You know, I won't leave your side. Moreover, I'm yet to teach you all the palace rules. Besides, we have so many other things to talk about.
Okay. I really appreciate you, my good friend. May the gods of Boijibu land keep you safe for me. Thanks for helping me out.
Don't mention it. It's okay. Let's finish our work quickly. Today, I want you to tell me some stories and then play our favorite games later on.
Elders of Bajubulan, I greet you all. I hope you all know why we are gathered here. But first of all, I'm sorry to bring you here. As you all know, my barrier is under maintenance. But my people, the people of Lagine have stepped beyond their bounds. They have infiltrated our father's land, so much that we cannot hold it. Yes, they want to forcefully grab ours from us. I have warned them so much to stay off our land, but they refuse. If they want to, I will give them one. Because we will have no option but to bounce back. They have wet the sleeping lion, and we have to strike with force. But you know what? Before I go further, I first ask you, what do you have to say?
My king, these people of Lekine have eaten more than they can chew. It is high time we fought back to regain what is rightfully ours. We cannot sit back any longer and wait. Look at the size of their land. Vast as it is, yet they are infiltrating this small portion we have.
My king, King Imambu is right. Since the days of our ancestors, we were in control of all those lands they are occupying now. But because of our weaknesses, they were able to grab most of the lands from our great fathers. But it is now we should take back that which is ours.
My king, what these Lekine people are doing to us has gone beyond what we can take. We the Mendes of Boijibu land, Dodo land, Kai land, we are not people to be toyed with anymore. We are not our fathers, and we cannot be dominated by these people. They have hurt the soul of the leopard.
Elders, you all have spoken well. This is what men of Boijibu land should be proud of. To stand for themselves when their feelings are provoked. Our people say, When an other wants to take what rightfully one has, he then loses everything. So, we do not need to fear. Now, tell us, what suggestion do you have on this matter?
Well spoken.
Thank you for that. My king, our population is growing every day, while our land is reducing to a pace. What will our offspring benefit when we all are gone? What will our sons say when they will come and find out that their fathers have left nothing for them? They will think of us as losers. So what I think is for us to fight back and take what is rightfully ours from those people.
There's no time to waste. If these people fail to clear off our land, we will fight to the last drop of our blood.
Yes! I will fight with my last breath. Yenga is rightfully our father's land. And nowhere dare take it from us. We must fight. I say we must fight. Is it not what we want?
Yes, we must fight.
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Ah, elders of Gwajibu land. You never trust me. Let me just tell you in case you don't know. I am King Vali Shengbe III, the king of Gwajibu land. The lion that protects its territory from infiltrators. I will not sit by and allow my land to be swayed away by infiltrators. I will not. Let me just tell you in case you don't know. Gwajibu land belongs to me. It belongs to you. And it belongs to all of us. So I will do everything in my powers. I will do everything in my powers to protect it. Gwajibu is a place of being the way must be boys and girls and their members. Go to your various homes. Lile, Ali, I will teach them a lesson they will never forget. You have wakened the sleeping lion. I will strike with full force.